The first move is like, see, this is the curved canal, so I know it's already 60 millimeters. So you go with the 10. The 10 has actually no resistance. I know it's already 16. I now don't have an apex locator. I don't need a microphone here. No? So you make this movement. You make this reciprocal movement. It's called twiggle, and then you go with about 1 millimeter to the apex, and you feel it. But this has no resistance. Then you go to the 15, which is 2%, no? Make again this twiggle, or so-called reciprocal movement. Now we switch to IRace 1. IRace 1, blue is 6%, and 2 is the ISO 15. Then again, always I show this 600 RPM, 1.6 Newton. Every canal, it doesn't matter which system, I make the same in a way that I go first in the canal and then I activate it. I'm not activated like this now and I'm looking for, because I want to feel which direction are I. Then I feel the resistance. Here I have already a big resistance on the beginning. I activate it and I make 1, 2, 3, 4, and once I push to the north, 1 to the side, 1 to this, and 1 to this. Then I clean. You see here, the lower 2-3 millimeters is clean because this is ISO 15 and 6%, and the other was 2%. So now, because this is a plastic and it's very strong and a strong plastic, I try to make a second or maybe third cycle. I go inside, I feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and still it's the lower knot. And I'm still not down because this is plastic, so make a third cycle, but because you can't go in once because it's very straight, and I don't use Gates Glidden. So next it will be now I should go, if possible, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you see, the upper part worked. But you see, it's not like Pro Taper, it's really fast and a little bit stronger. Not zzz and wait, because if you wait, you transport the canal. Every instrument will. And here you can see after very well. We switch to IRace 2, it's red and red, which means it's 25 ISO and it's taper 4%. So now it will be really easy going. Why? Because we don't have stress, it's working only on the apical part. But I told you first, you should reassure patency. You see it's clean. Now you take IRace 2, again, you feel the canal, you see, almost done. Don't rest. On the apical part I have to prepare. Take it out 2-3 millimeters, activate, 1, 2, 3, I'm already in the apex. And now you see it's working on this part, because the upper part is already prepared and you don't have stress. And you see here how nice the canal is. If you wait longer, I show you that you can transport the canal, of course. Now you switch to the last instrument. This is red and blue. Red is for the taper. I think the small ring is for 4%, again 60 millimeter. And I saw also people working like this. I already got a heart attack when I saw it down in Beijing. Somebody holding. I mean, you know, it's not a hammer. It's fine. It should be like this, like a pen. Now you go the last instrument. Again, you measure it. I mean, you feel it. Resistance. You take it out. Activate. 1, 2, 3. And you can see how the canal is. You can see how the canal is really uniform. I mean, it's a strong curvature quite. That's what you see how